meeting was called. Okay, ito yung issue ng number 1. And they approved on that particular, that was the issue. And on that meeting, there were only 4 members who attended and they approved a certain amount to which, 4 lang silang nag-approve, and yet, eto na kaming dalawa ni Mrs. Francisco, ini-inform na kailangan mag-sign ng withdrawal slip for a certain amount of money. True. Nag-assign po ako ng board resolution, sinasabi na kiniklear siya that year but not on the instance of the 25,000 or 35,000 na pinropose nila as budget. They were not able to withdraw that. Ano ang nangyari? Money came from the accounting department diretso sa BIMES. Why? Because we did not sign. Because we did not approve that amount of money. May deadlock. 4 ang umattend, pero they were showing us a board resolution na 6 ang nakapirma. Second point in issue. No, second. Okay, ano second issue. Okay. Sabi niya, true. On the last meeting, dated June, sometime last June, Mr. Myron Buwan was there. Also, Mr. Bong Bimida as well as his wife. Si Mr. Doka nandun, ako nandun, si Miss Pelayo nandun, konti na kami nandun. A proposed budget was for 70,000. True, sabi ni Myron, Mr. Buwan, gawin natin 100,000. Yes, pero sabi niya, nag-approve ako sa board resolution na 70,000. Ito po yung board resolution, wala akong signature, despite the fact na attendee ako. Yun lang po yung kinaklara ko. I don't want some people maligning my name behind my back. Hindi po ako ganung tao. This is the first time na nagsalita ako in an assembly.
Mrs. Gutierrez, meron din po akong tatanong sa iyo. Pwede po ba paliwanag mo yung nangyari nung BEPA last year? Na ikaw ay tumanggap ng pera?
Yes! Okay.
Alam mo kasi, ang aking hangad dito, kung bakit ako sumasali at naging aktibo ngayon, ay gusto ko maliwanagan lahat para sa kapakanan ng mga magulang. Hindi po kapakanan ng iisa lamang ko, nakaiilan lang ang magulang. Mrs. Gutierrez, isa ka po sa binabanggit namin sa board meeting na hindi ka pa nagpapaliwanag ng pera tinanggap mo last year. Paliwanag po niyo yan para maintindihan po ng lahat. Kasi ko, araw-araw nilalang ng Diyos. Pag nag-meeting kami, nababanggit ang pangalan mo, Mrs. Christine Tinting Gutierrez, may pera kang hinawakan. Galing sa BEPA. Paliwanag mo yan.
Okay, ano po yung totoo? During the BEPA Cup, I was tasked by Mr. Inatasan po ako ni Mr. Buwan na maging registration committee chairperson. True, I do not deny that fact that I received money. Registration committee ka eh. Pag nagre-register sila, nagbabayad siya sa'yo, tinatanggap mo yun. But what they don't know is the fact that kada makakatanggap ko ng pera, yung pong pera na tatanggap ko, turn over ko sa treasurer. Why? Ano ba yung procedure? Pagtanggap mo, bibigay mo kay treasurer. And Mr. Boyet Tongkok would assess the fact na nasa kanya yung pera many times over. Sinasabi ni Kuya Boyet, nasa kanya yung pera, ang nasa akin listahan. Ang hindi ko po naibigay yung huli because there were expenses that were incurred during the family day and during the BEPA Cup. Yun po yung totoo. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo ako dito mag-report, why not? Pero dapat tanungin niyo rin kung sino yung maraming na-receive na pera during that time. Okay? May letter po si Mr. Tongko. Okay? Maraming letter po si Mr. Tongko kung sino yung mga naka-receive ng pera that time. At during that time, ang nakakatanggap lang ng pera, eto po may listahan kami. May listahan si Mr. Tongko nilabas kung sino yung naka-receive ng pera. Na umattend ng BEPA Cup was around 160. And it was all accounted for. Okay?
Mrs. Gutierrez, narinig ko po ay mga more or less 56,000 as